Hi, this is Pavlak and welcome to another Java tutorial session. In this tutorial, I will be covering Java arrays. So on the right hand side of my screen here, this is a pictorial representation of an array. Here we have an array by the name of C. Okay, and each of the numbers in the square brackets here represents its index. So in the first index we have minus 45. So implicitly we're saying that this is an array of type int. Okay, and you notice again in the previous class that I mentioned, arrays always start with 0 to n minus 1, n being the total number of elements in the array. And here we have 12, so it's 12 minus 1, which is 11. Okay, so this is just a pictorial representation. So let's get to some code here. So I'm just going to declare an array. I'm going to call it R, right, for short. And this is just a declaration, so sorry, no, I'm not going to initialize it. This declaration will allocate some memory in the stack. Okay. Now I'm going to actually instantiate an object. Instantiate is a word we haven't heard of before, and it's very much old. It means creating an object. Okay, so we're actually going to create a new object, and by creating the new object, what we're doing is actually allocating memory in the heap, right, from the heap. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So I'm going to try to make 2 columns so that we print out something that looks rather nice. So bear with me here. So I'm going to print S, first string, and the second one 8 spaces over. I'll call the first one the index. And second one I call it value. Okay. And just print some formats. So now I'm going to actually do the walk through the array. Okay, so first the counter. Let's use I, and then array. So now I'm going to show you. This is actually a member of the array type length. It is actually it's a public member, and it is final. For right now, you don't need to know too much what I just said there. But sorry, I call it ARR. There it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna just print out the array. And a bit of nice formatting again. Okay, say 5 over, and 8 again. Yes, I think I missed something there. Sorry, that's not S. D. Missed the. Missing percent there. No wonder it's giving me only one argument. Okay, so now I'm going to print I, which is the first one for its index, and then the actual element. Okay, we didn't really initialize the value to anything, and so I'm just doing it on purpose so you can see. So now I'm going to run it. A little slow. So here we have the index from 0 to 9. You notice that they're all initialized to 0. So it tells you something that without even initializing the values, when you allocate memory for an array of type int, it initializes it to 0. Okay. So that's an example of declaring an array and instantiate an object for it and walking through the elements. Okay, so this is a short tutorial, and thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.